What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is InTrader and this is another PEPE price prediction, price analysis, technical analysis. And guys, take a look at that. Take a look at that prediction right here. And this is the take profit level that I gave you in my previous videos. And that was the order box that I told you guys that was the perfect zone to buy PEPE. And that was the first profit take level. First was right here and another one was right there. So we bounced perfectly. Look at that. It's actually crazy how accurate that was. Look at that. Look. It's ridiculous. So if you guys don't want to miss on my next predictions, my next analysis, make sure click that subscribe button right now. I'm actually about to reach 1,000 subscribers and I'm so thankful for each one of you. We just passed 800 subscribers, which is crazy. Thank you so much to each one of you. And if you want to join me, just click the subscribe button right now. Like this video, make a comment. It could be a simple comment like thank you. It's going to help me grow and it's going to help me provide more value for you. So as I said before, this is a weekly chart. I told you guys that was the best level for PEPE to accumulate, to buy. And guess what? It turned out to be the exact bottom. And my profit take level here turned out to be the perfect take profit level. So we bounced from the bottom and we bounced from the top. And we actually retraced around 30% as far as I remember. 36, 37 right now. And you're probably asking me, is it a good time to buy? Where are the levels now? Because obviously the situation changes as the price is growing or dumping. So I'm going to talk about that in this video. So naturally, when we look at the chart, we have to say that this level right here will be a natural support. So we are actually just reaching that. However, Bitcoin just hit $65,000 and it looks like it may go a little bit lower. So if Bitcoin is going to continue going down, then we may actually see this support being broken. And after that, we're just going to reach another levels right here that I'm going to talk about really soon. But if we break that level, this is actually weekly chart. We don't have that much data yet, but on a daily chart, we can clearly see that we broke this 50 daily EM moving average right here. We broke it, so we're probably gonna go into 618 level right here and 0.5 right there. So that would be my order zone right now. Looking at the chart right now, those would be my levels right here. Something like that. Maybe even lower. There you go. So my plan for the next trade would be, if we break this, because we're pretty much high right now, and I think we're gonna break this support and just go towards those levels and go all the way up. Because if you see this moving average right here, it's just gonna continue going up like this. So we should see something like that, the bounce, and just going up for another swing. So that could be the case. If that happens, you can, if you took profits, if you listen to me and if you took profits at this level, then you should have funds to go again and make another swing trade, which is beautiful about this market, and it's beautiful about crypto and all the markets that you can actually swing trade. And this is what I'm doing. I'm doing swing trading, I'm doing long-term investing, and if you're interested in that, make sure you click the subscribe button and click like. Of course, this is not financial advice at all. This is just my personal opinion on the market. I'm just like analyzing the chart and saying my thoughts, and you have to remember that you're responsible for your own decisions, and this is not a financial advice. So I have to say that, and I'm gonna say that in all of my videos to remind you that. All right. So as I told you, we actually retraced around 36%. And is that over? I don't know. Let's take a look at the previous correction that we had not long time ago in April, and it was actually, guys, 63%. So we still can go a little further. So if we were to dump 60% from that level, guys, that would actually bring us ideally to 618 level, Fibonacci retracement level, which is the really great indicator, which is a really great level to buy, really strong level. And as you can see here, there's a lot of bounces of this level. And for me, this right here should be the most important level right there. And I actually drew my arrow, my line right here perfectly at this level. So that would be the lowest level right now I would be looking for to accumulate PEPE for my next trade, or just like for long-term investment. If you want to get into PEPE at the best price, here's what I would be looking for. But if Bitcoin is going to continue going sideways, or it's going to continue pumping, it's going to bring a lot of new capital to the market, and that may not look good for PEPE in terms of if you want to catch the price much lower, right? Because it's probably going to go sideways, a little sideways, and go up again. Okay, so we have to keep it in mind that we may go lower, but if Bitcoin's gonna bounce from 65K and continue growing up, we may see PEPE following Bitcoin, okay? So you have to remember that there is a correlation between those two assets. All right, so I think we covered the PEPE USDT chart really well, and if you're asking me for take profit levels, it stays the same, guys. Like I would even take profits at 414 level right here. If we reach here, that level to 414, it's gonna be 123%. Guys, where else can you make this amount of money? Like, where else? Just take the profit. Like, you don't have to take all of the profit. You can just take 20%, 30%, 40% off the table, but it's going to help you grow over time and make profit. It's a compound effect, okay? Because we may have kind of like a triple top, which means I'm going to draw it. This is the first top, this is the second top, and that could be the third top, and we can go down into like another quick little bear market or something like that. So we have to be ready for all the scenarios. But we may go higher, actually. We may go higher, and 618 would be like another level, and then number 2 right here. So guys, if we reach this level on PEPE and you can get in, that's going to be 159% to the same local top that we had here, and to the number 2 Fibonacci retracement level, it's going to be 221% of profit, which is crazy, okay? Don't underestimate the possibilities that this market is giving you, because you can have a lot of profit by only taking profits and buying low. You have to take profits and buy low. And if you accumulate that, it's going to give you 10x, 20x much quicker. And you don't even have to risk and hold and risk counting on some coins to make you incredible returns. You can make those returns by actually swing trading. And this is what we're doing on this channel. All right, let's take a look at crypto CoinGecko market. And PEPE is currently number 26, which is really high, and we have almost 5 billion market cap right now, number 26. So let's say if we were to 10x, that will bring us around $50 billion, and we would be between Solana and lead estate Ether right here. Wow. So if you're counting on PEPE to make 10x right now, you have to be ready for PEPE to jump into top 10, like beating Dogecoin, beating Shiba Inu, beating XRP, and just being between here. 20x would bring us between BNB and Tether. If you think that Pepe can beat BNB, that would mean 20x for Pepe from the current price. But if we continue dumping, then it's gonna be more x. Okay, so the secret to make 10x, 20x, 50x is actually not buying now or buying at the top and waiting for that. It's actually buying here, much lower. Like if you get in here, this is where you can get those results. Okay, and it's much easier. And I really expect in the near future for Bitcoin, Ethereum, the whole market to double, triple in value, and for Pepe to make 10x, 20x will be much easier, and we wouldn't have to get into top 10 for Pepe to 10x or 20x. Okay, we could be just in top 20 and still make those returns. So another indicator is crypto fear and greed index. We're still in greed. We're still in extreme greed, which is crazy, guys. Like, I don't know what's happening, but we had a little retracement here, but we bounced back all the way up, and look how much space we have here. Okay, last time we had a space right here, we went sideways a little bit and we crashed. So if something like this happens, like here, then you get in. Then you have to be ready with your cash, with your stable coins to accumulate Pepe or any other crypto. With your cash or with your stable coins. If we see fear or extreme fear, guys, it's gonna be a great opportunity for you to accumulate Pepe or any other altcoin. And look at that, guys. I told you guys that we were gonna go down on this chart, and we're actually reaching into Bitcoin season so bad. And this is what does it mean? What does it mean that we're reaching those levels, the level down here? It means that it's a great opportunity to accumulate altcoins. That altcoins are undervalued because there is a Bitcoin season and Bitcoin is overvalued, okay? So don't misinterpret that. In Bitcoin season, it doesn't mean you're buying Bitcoin. In Bitcoin season, you're buying altcoins, okay? So the lower we get on this chart, the better for you to accumulate more. If your exposure right here was like 10% of altcoins, it should be like 15, 20, 25 or something like that. The lower we get on the scale, the higher, the more exposure you should have on altcoins. If we reach this level like here, 3 or something, you see those lowest points over there, my exposure for altcoins could reach even 40%. And as we go up, as you can see, up here to altcoin season, those altcoins, if you put 1 Bitcoin worth of value of altcoins, those altcoins will grow in value against Bitcoin. So this 1 Bitcoin may become 2, 3, 4, maybe even 5. In some cases, people would make like 10 Bitcoins out of 1 Bitcoin, all right? So this is really huge. And if we see this Bitcoin season and fear over here, perfect opportunity to accumulate altcoins. However, we see greed here and extreme greed, and it's been going on for a while. So this gives us a little bit of risk for a future correction, okay? So if we have a dump, if we have a correction, don't be surprised, because we still have greed. There's still greed on the market, and there's so much space to be shaken out, so many people to be shaken out of the market, okay? And that happens when we have fear. However, if we continue in a bull market, we can just continue growing. So there are always two opportunities, but however, you have to be ready in case we go to fear or extreme fear, to be ready to purchase more, okay? So you cannot shoot all your bullets when we see greed or extreme greed on this chart, you know? That's just stupid. You have to have some cash ready. So this indicator for me is checked. It's perfect. with Bitcoin season, okay, it's time to buy altcoins, and it's time to accumulate altcoins. But this one, not fully yet. However, I would increase my exposure to altcoins right now, but I would leave 10-20% of space in case we go to fear, because we can catch even better prices. All right. And as we look at Bitcoin dominance, we probably broke that falling wedge. Let's just see. Yeah, exactly. So I showed you on this chart that if we break this level, we're just gonna probably continue going up, and that's what's happening. We have a little retest, and we're probably gonna have another leg up, and that's gonna be a great opportunity to accumulate even more altcoins. So if we grow here, then guys, more altcoins. Okay. If we continue going down like this, you can actually sell some of your altcoins and buy some Bitcoin here, something like that. So, but I'm gonna be covering this almost every single day, every second day. So if you're subscribed to my channel, you're gonna know what's happening, and you're gonna know all the analysis. So yeah, I think that's it. If we take a look at Bitcoin, I told you guys we're just gonna go sideways, and we're still going sideways. We're still accumulating. Let's see what happens. I don't like this like M letter. It looks like we may go a little bit lower and retest those levels right here. So we have like 1, 2, or something like that, triple bottom. It's just gonna go down and go up again. Or if we break that level, we're just gonna continue going up down to like minus 30%, 618 Fibonacci retracement level that I told you guys about, but we never reached it. Or this moving average right here, we can just bounce and go up. So remember guys, this level here, this level here, this level, this is where you buy, this is where you accumulate Bitcoin or any other altcoins. And yeah, all right, that's it for today. That was a PEPE price prediction, price analysis, technical analysis. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. I really want to invite you to my Telegram group. The link is in the pinned comment or in the description down below, so you can see my updates on my Telegram group. Please help me reach 1,000 subscribers, and you can do it by clicking subscribe right now, and you can like this video as well. It's gonna help me grow my channel, and you can leave a comment. If you don't know what to comment, just comment thank you, and I would really appreciate that. And yeah, that's it for today, and I talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you.